Hello guys. So today we are going to learn how to multiply matrices step by step in an easy to follow way. So if matrices used to look confusing, don't worry. After this video, you will know exactly what to do. Let us multiply these two given matrices. Matrix A, the components are 1, 2, 3, and 4, while matrix B, the entries are 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we want to find A times B. First, we need to check if multiplication is possible. So the dimension of matrix A is 2 by 2, row times column. And then the dimension of matrix B is also 2 by 2. So if the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix, then eventually multiplication is possible. And the dimension of the product of the two matrices would be 2 by 2 matrix. Now let us multiply these two matrices. And here is the most important rule in multiplying matrices. Row times column. Meaning, we need to take a row from the first matrix and multiply it by a column from the second matrix. So A times B would be equal to, so we need to multiply the row entries by the column entries. So we have 1 times 5 plus 2 times 7. And then next we have the first row multiplied by the second column entries. So we have 1 times 6 plus 2 times 8. And then second row multiplied by the first column. So we have 3 times 5 plus 4 times 7. And then second row multiplied by the second column. So 3 times 6 plus 4 times 8. Okay? So we have 1 times 5, that is 5, plus 2 times 7, that is 14. And then 1 times 6, 6 plus 16. And we have 15 plus 28. And then 18 plus 32. So let us add. We have 19 and then 22, right? And then this is 43 and 50, right? So that is the product of the matrices A and B. Okay? So here is the quick recap. So remember this simple rule for matrix multiplication. First, row times column. Second, multiply corresponding entries. And then next, add the results. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand matrix multiplication, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Survey for more easy to follow math lessons.